Hey Miley Cyrus, scoot over. Lila Rhodey, aka Social Lila's back, baby! Woo! Yes, guys, I am back at you guys once more, once again. And of course, I'm making another video for you guys. It's been since my cover of Lady Gaga's Applause video, since I posted a video after that. So, I realized that a big trend for teenage girls my age these days, especially 16-year-olds like me. Yes, I am 16 years old because my birthday was on March 24th this year, because that's my actual birthday, and now I'm 16, and I started collecting something that all teenage girls these days are starting to collect. Can you guess what it is in this box? Do you give up? 1, 2, 3. Okay. What I'm about to reveal to you guys in this box is... Here, sorry, I'm wearing a dress here. But yeah, what I have for you guys here is... Ta-da! Squishies! So, for this video, I'm showing you guys my squishy collection. So, I don't know, I'm not going to go into details with every squishy I have because that's going to take me an hour or maybe even a year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count them as I introduce you to them. 3, 2, 1. Oval shaped bear, kind of like drizzled donut. Ice cream. It's very slow rising. Buddha. Popcorn. Okay, let me do something real quick. Bear plush bun. Bear plush bun, that's what I meant. With a face. Cake. It's a cherry, maybe strawberry cake. Some of these are from Soft and Slow Squishies. Some of them are from Walmart, and some of them are from Amazon. Panda bear bun with a bow. That's slow rising, man. French fries. Icing chocolate heart-shaped cake, I think. Purple macaroon, or macaron, however you want to pronounce it. Hello Kitty sprinkle bread. Hard eyes, smiling, blushing bun or something. Kissing, blowing kisses emoji thing. Sorry. Green piggy with the 2 eye patches, I think. Unamused glasses blush bun. Dingo dog, I think, kind of bread. Chocolate tart with strawberries and whipped cream. Smiley bread. Cookie, I think. Hello Kitty cracker thing. Silly face emoji. That's a little squishy, isn't it? Hello Kitty. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure that the battery doesn't run out as fast as it can. Smiley Twinkle Eyes egg. Loaf of bread in the color yellow, I think. Pink Hello Kitty's pink sprinkly swirly bread. Graham cracker. Donut with a bite mark. Teddy bear or a yellow teddy bear. Cat slipper in the color orange. This one is one of my ultimate favorites. Golden Oreo. Doggy. Kitty mushroom. Hello Kitty donut. Blue and red drizzle donut. Birdie, I think, or fish. And I forgot what this thing's called. So in this case I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That's all 36. Wait, I forgot to introduce this one. Yeah, I forgot about this one. But yeah. Yeah, I actually have like 36. And I better turn the camera off soon because my camera is about to die. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and missed you. Love you. Bye. Mwah.